Have you ever had a brilliant product idea only to realize later that it wasn't as workable as you thought? That thrill of inspiration followed by disappointment is something many business owners and product managers know all too well. But here's the good news. You can avoid that pitfall by following a thorough process to evaluate your ideas. In this video, we'll show you how to vet new product ideas step by step so you can confidently bring them to market and grow your business. Hey, my name's James and welcome back to the channel. As promised, we're going to unpack one of the most important processes for business owners and product managers, and that's vetting and evaluating new product ideas. Not every idea will work, and that's okay. But by taking a strategic approach, you can identify the ideas with the most potential and set yourself up for success. Here's a taste of what we'll cover: how to research the market, evaluating the competition, understanding whether your product solves a real problem, and even how to assess the profitability and create prototypes. By the end, you'll have your roadmap for turning your big ideas into big wins. So let's get started. The first step is market research, because if you don't know what your audience wants, your product is almost certain to fall flat. Market research involves understanding the needs, preferences, behaviors of your target customers. And here's how you can approach it. Start by talking directly to potential customers. Surveys, focus groups, one-to-one conversations are all great ways to gather these important insights. Look at existing data, analyze industry reports, consumer trends, and social media conversations to see what people are saying about similar products. For example, let's say you're developing a new reusable water bottle. You might survey customers about their hydration habits, what features they like, what frustrates them about current products, and crucially, what might make them switch. You could also analyze sales data or read industry reports to identify trends in eco-friendly products. Market research gives you the data you need to position your product effectively, reducing the risk of failure. Next, it's time to look at the competition. Analyzing similar products on the market helps you understand how your idea stacks up and what gaps you can fill. Start with some online research. Look for competing products. What are their strengths and weaknesses? Compare their pricing, features, and customer reviews to identify opportunities where your product can stand out. You can also talk to industry experts or other business owners for insights into the competitive landscape. Here's a tip. Ask yourself why a product like yours isn't already dominating the market. Is there a genuine gap, or is it an idea that hasn't yet been fully realized? For example, if you're developing an app for a niche market, ensure the niche is big enough to sustain your business. By understanding the competition, you'll position your product more effectively and increase its chances of success. Now ask the big question: does your product solve a problem or meet a real need? Products that succeed often make life easier, more enjoyable, or more convenient for their users. If your idea doesn't meet a specific need, it may struggle to gain traction. Here's how to evaluate this. Start with yourself. What problem does this product solve? Then validate your idea by talking to your target audience. Surveys and conversations can help uncover whether your product meets a pressing need. Finally, compare your product to what's already available. How does it address the problem better or differently than what's already out there? For example, if you're designing a new ergonomic office chair, talk to professionals working long hours at a desk. Are they experiencing discomfort? What features would improve their workday? The more targeted your solution, the more likely it is to succeed. Step 4 is assessing potential profitability. Even a great idea needs to be profitable in order to succeed. Here are some key factors to evaluate. Costs. What will it cost to produce and distribute your product? Pricing. What price point allows you to turn a profit while remaining competitive? Thirdly, how big is your target market? Can you reach enough customers to make the idea financially viable? Let's say you're creating an eco-friendly cleaning product. Research your production costs, figure out how much you'll need to charge to stay profitable, and analyze the market to ensure there's demand for sustainable cleaning solutions. By weighing these factors, you can assess whether your idea has the potential to drive growth or if adjustments are needed. Finally, bringing a product to market takes time, money, and effort. Create a clear roadmap. List all the steps involved from prototyping to testing to production. Estimate how long each step will take and identify any bottlenecks. Determine what resources you'll need, including funding, materials, and team expertise. And don't forget about intellectual property considerations. Make sure your idea doesn't infringe on any existing patents, trademarks, or copyrights. For instance, if you're developing a high-tech fitness tracker, you'll need a plan for prototyping, software development, manufacturing, patents, and testing. Understanding these requirements up front will help you to avoid costly delays. So what do you do once you've laid the groundwork, done your research, and concluded that your idea is viable? Well, at this stage, it's all about seeking feedback. Whether it's from potential customers, industry experts, or mentors, outside perspectives are crucial for revealing the strengths and weaknesses you might have missed. If the feedback validates your assumptions, then it's time to move on to the prototype phase, where you can start to test the functionality, gather even more feedback, and start to make adjustments to that original idea. Vetting new product ideas is essential for turning big concepts into even bigger successes. By conducting market research, understanding your competition, solving real-world problems, and assessing profitability, you can increase your chances of success. And don't forget to gather feedback, evaluate resources, and create prototypes to refine that vision. The key to success is due diligence, taking the time to thoroughly assess your idea before going all in. Follow these steps and you'll set yourself up for long-term growth. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And check out the links in the description below for even more content on product management, product development, and product-led growth. See you next time.